Nature. All of us must have heard about this word at least once in our life. And why not? Because if we are able to exist on this planet, then all thanks goes to Mother Nature herself. She has provided us with all the basic necessities of our lives without which we can't even survive. Right starting from water, air, soil, and minerals to name a few. But then, gradually, we humans have started using these resources in such a way that they are on their verge of extinction. But we also just cannot be unmindful of the fact that these resources are also required for our future generations. Hence, to make this world a better place and a more stable environment, we always celebrate the World Nature Conservation Day every year on 28th of July. So that on this day, we can all join our hands, even though virtually, but to pledge to conserve our nature by following some simple rules or the 3 Rs, which are commonly known as the reduce, the reuse, and the recycle. And all of these things will be presented by the Science Club members of BDMI. Thank you.
Everything around us is directly or indirectly provided to us by Mother Nature. She is the reason why life exists on Earth. However, we foolish humans have destroyed a large part of nature, the same nature which is the reason of our existence. With the human population reaching nearly 7.8 billion in the 21st century, we have started to use fossil fuels at a rate which will cause them to exhaust in nearly the next 100 years. Things are, however, not out of control. Even now, the situation can be normalized, and this does not require mass mobilization or running around shouting conservation. We can take simple small steps from our side because small steps from a population of nearly 8.8 billion does leave a large impact.
We should reuse the past. We should recycle the present.
and reduce pollution in the future.